All right, cool. So this thing is working perfectly. Like I love that. So, all right, that was just a quick test, right? But I will just use this opportunity just to let you know that the next week on Thursday we're having a workshop for content creator. Okay, we're gonna use the disc assessment to show you how your creativity as a content creator is impacted every single day that you create something. And before you think that, or before you say, hey, I'm not a content creator, let me tell you this. It doesn't matter if you will write just a word on Twitter. It doesn't matter if you just write a word on Instagram or whatever. You are a content creator, and I want to show you how, based on scientific proof, that your disc profile influences your creativity. So just get connected for Thursday 7 p.m. and we're gonna do it together. Okay, let's go.